If you're concerned about Facebook tracking what you do outside the app, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn that off and take back a bit more control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, tap the settings gear icon near the top of the screen. Now that you're in settings, scroll down a little until you find Account Center and tap on it. Once you're inside, scroll down again and look for your information and permissions. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, find the option that says Your Activity Off Meta Technologies. This is where Facebook stores information it receives from other apps and websites. Tap on it. You'll now see an option that says Clear Previous Activity. Selecting this will remove past data that Facebook has collected from other apps and websites connected to your account. Tap it and confirm if prompted. Now, to stop future tracking, go back one step and tap on Manage Future Activity. Here, choose Disconnect Future Activity. Facebook will explain what this means. Basically, apps and websites will no longer be able to send activity data back to your account. When you're ready, tap Disconnect Future Activity to confirm. From this point forward, Facebook will no longer link your off-app activity to your profile, giving you more control over your privacy. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.